In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the 3-column feature offered on the Magplus Now platform. Now on our default page layout over here, click on the section as a whole, click on the plus icon that appears at the bottom of the section, and under the Layouts tab, just choose the 3-column grid. Now make sure that your grid has been selected entirely. Once you do so, on the right side of the page, under the 3-column drop-down menu, you could choose to edit each column individually. Now for example, if I want to edit the width of column 3 to say 25, I just enter the value and click on apply. Now you'd be able to see the text has rearranged itself. I could also choose to add more elements to each individual division. For example, I could choose to clone this paragraph. I could choose to add an image element after this paragraph, and so on. And that's it on the 3-column grid.